This video will introduce to different ways to help you delete your Google browsing history on your iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11X's XER. Way 1. How to clear Google search history on iPhone manually. Part 1. Clear a specific Google search history item on iPhone. Open Google Chrome on your iPhone. Tap the search box to see recent queries. Swipe left on a query to remove it from your search history. Part 2. Delete the entire Google search history from iPhone. Open Google Chrome on your iPhone. Tap the three dots. Go to Settings, then Privacy. Find and tap Clear Browsing Data. Ensure there's a check mark. Optionally, select Additional Data to delete. Tap Clear Browsing Data to proceed. Way 2. How to delete Google search history on iPhone permanently. If you need a program to help you delete Google search history from iPhone permanently, you can't miss the iPhone Data Eraser, which is specially designed for that purpose. Steps to clear Google search history on iPhone permanently with iPhone Data Eraser. Download and install iPhone Data Eraser on your Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPhone, ensuring iTunes is installed. Click Start Scan. Select Google Chrome History. Confirm deletion when prompted. Process completes in seconds.